Hello, guys. My name is Adama, and we're back again on another episode of Social Media Buzz. With me today is actually a new guest, and he is, and you already know this yellow purple over here.
Hi guys, it's Bella again.
Yes, dear viewers, we are here with this particular trending story of Anyidons, gifting his crew members some amount of money, and we actually look at it from different points of view. That's why we actually want to talk about this. So quickly take a look at this video that is going to show or be shown on your screen, and when you are done looking at it, we come back and we dissect it. Okay, so we'll be right back.
This is.
It takes courage. It takes strength.
Thank you, sir.
For behind every great power
This is.
lies great responsibility.
Thank
This is love.
God bless you, sir.
This is the Igbo love. It takes an Igbo man to change the world. The more the Igbo man is rejected,
Thank you, sir.
the more peace progress eludes the world.
Amen.
This is the Igbo power.
Thank you, sir.
Oneness, in love, in strength, in peace, in devotion, in every beautiful thing that you can ever think about. This is the unified Igbos now. We are thanking our brother Anyidons for doing the Igbo love.
Cool. Okay. That's for not spoon now. That's the power. Power. I ain't tell you. So it's everybody. Oh, you can see it. It's very important. And the thoughts So now I'm like, power.
Viewers and subscribers. Like I don't think I've seen something like this before. It is quite new, and that is why it looks not really strange, but it looks somehow. And I don't know about what everybody thinks, but I think it's actually scripted. So please, no, so you have seen this video, haven't you?
I have.
What do you think? Like, what do you think about this video?
Okay. From my own perspective,
Mhm.
apart from being real or not, I think the message has been passed,
Okay.
which is centered on how artists and vocalists treat their crew members.
Oh,
So
okay.
for me, I feel that Anyidons have been able to successfully pass his message that it is quite okay for you to settle people you work with after carrying out one work or the other.
Yeah, kind of some sort of motivation,
Yes,
you
of
mean?
course, yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. I think I also get that part. So, Miss Bella, what's your
But you know,
point
it's not
here?
only Anyidon that actually did this.
Oh.
You know, Davido splurges on his crew members, but everybody knows about Israel.
Not like this.
But not like this. Anyidon was
Mhm.
a success on this one. He brought out physical cash and was doing giveaway, was doing doings. Nobody say they spread the money. He just packed the money like this. Bundles. You give this one, you give this other one, you give this other one. But you know, people are now saying that it's giving skits or made up because the guys were not hyping. Initially on the video, you see them keeping quiet. So you now arrange the money. Later, the other guy on the other side was not doing hey. But it's still okay. We still know that there are people working behind the scenes about these people, these people that we know. Because, you know, say, when you are watching these people, it's only Anyidon that we know. We don't know about other guys that are handling the instruments. You know, that's it for me.
Okay, it's actually what you have said is actually valid though. But I don't know if you people have noticed that celebrities nowadays, they tend to do things to go viral. Just like you said,
Exactly.
this video, by all means, this video it's scripted and it's staged, and this is why.
Why?
When somebody gives you something like you are not expecting, there is this vibe you see in the room. Like yes, there is this, like you can feel it. Like you be like
you go,
you
they
know what
happy,
I'm
they
saying
jump,
now?
they happy.
Yes, now, like I don't
They give you
understand.
bundle
How can
of
somebody
money.
give you that kind of cash and you're
Huge
like,
amount of money, and it's 500.
yes,
One
it's giving me, hey, I know I'm gonna return this. So
Oh.
like, what the hell,
If
like.
at all the video was scripted, the guy actually succeeded in getting what the
But at the end
intention
of the day, the guys
scripting
did not take the
video
money on them. Like, they didn't
because
have the money.
After the video, it went viral. So the purpose of doing the video, if at all it was scripted, has been
Passed.
But wait, so you guys are trying to tell me that it is worth it to do things just to go viral without actually doing it? Like I'm saying from my own point of view that it's scripted. So it's actually okay for you to do something just to get views and just to, you know, for people to like, because I know there are so many people that doesn't know. Sorry to say this, I'm Igbo, but I know Anyidons. But I know there are so many people that doesn't know Anyidons. But definitely this goes viral and so many people are going to tap into it, if you get what I'm saying. Like, does it really, like, is it really okay
For people to just do things
yes,
just
is
because
it
they want
cool?
to go
Yes.
viral.
Yes, that's
strategy for my own.
okay.
Everything is strategy.
So you think it's cool?
Yes, I feel it's good because I've watched his recent video. I think he made this video about yesterday or so. So he was saying that the purpose of him doing that video around December period was to, you know, pass the same message that he was going to do yesterday.
Okay.
So the message was telling people in the
Music
Eastern music industry that it is not okay for you to do everything as a vocalist or the main artist and then reserve the huge chunk of the money for yourself and then forget about
show
all those
love and
people
share
that,
love.
yes,
Exactly.
because these crew members, they are people that actually made your music what it is.
Yes.
Without them, you will not have a good production. So I think the message was passed. That is my own.
Well,
so it is good. The strategy achieved the purpose.
my own is, even if it's a skit or it's a made up, the message has been passed, because we know that we know Flavor, we know Fino, but we don't know people that are behind him.
Of course.
You get, but this guy is now doing these things for us to see that they are actual people. There are people that are putting in work, giving in their time to put in work to build the music, to make up the melody and everything that makes the music sweet to our hearing. So whether it's skits or no skits, when we say the message, we don't get the message, okay? We get it.
Okay, viewers and subscribers, you have heard it from my guests, and you can also agree with them. I think I'm agreeing with them on this one also, that whether it is scripted or not scripted, we don't really care. What we care about is, okay, so many people are going to like put it into consideration that you have to actually acknowledge people. You know, motivation is a key factor in whatever you are doing. You have to show love and let them know, hey, you are appreciated. So even if he's going to take the money back, even he's going to take the money back after giving it to them, that one does not concern us anymore.
You go take the money back.
Yes, so our viewers and subscribers, please, we would like you to drop your comments on the comment section. Like, you have seen the video, what do you think? Do you think it's scripted? Do you think it's not? Do you think there's a message that needs to be passed? Do you think it's actually necessary? Just let us know on the comment section. Remember to subscribe and give us thumbs up, okay? So until we meet on another episode of Social Media Buzz, we are signing out, you know. So
Peace
bye.
out.
Bye.
Bye, guys.